Today I will show you that how you can easily fix if camera is missing from your device manager. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you will have to head over to the search bar and search for device manager. Then click on it. Now once you are on this page, you can see right here this is camera, but in your case it may be missing, and that is why you are watching this video, and after this video your problem will be solved. So there are two methods to fix this problem. The first one is to simply click on any one of these like desktop, then tap on that option on the top. Now you'll have to click on scan for hardware changes. Now it will scan for any hardware changes, and this was the first method, and if it did not fix your problem, you can follow the second method. And second method is to simply click on action once again, then click on add legacy hardware. Now you'll have to click on next and make sure that you choose the second option, then hit next again. Now you will have to scroll down and you will have to click on imaging devices. Click on this and hit next again. Now you will have to click on this SCSI scanner device and then hit next again. Now hit next again and finish. And after that you will have to click on this SCSI scanner device, right click on it, then hit update driver and then hit browse driver for browse my computer for drivers, then click on let me pick from a list. Now you can choose any one of these manufacturers, like I will click on generic, and then make sure that you click desktop camera from this section. After clicking on it, hit next again, and it will take some time to install drivers, and you will be good to go. You will be able to find that camera option right here. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.